started the game when we were all by the truck still.
Uh-oh.
Oh, sorry. They said it was on. Sorry.
Yeah.
Game, but we're starting to switch sides. Where the fuck is my team going?
I killed like 8 of them.
Good job.
Hey guys, we're switching sides!
Alright. I just saw a bush and I just went.
That was so fast.
Bud, when you get hit, call your hits. I hit you twice and that's why you looked at me.
Bang bang. Alright, so who's medic again?
Take the job.
We got me, Chris, you, Tim, one more. I do you 4.
Alex, medic.
I think we're still missing a couple people.
Yeah.
They're right there.
Right there. Hey guys! Over here!
Yeah, they're starting to field, so start wherever.
Well, we're discussing who the medics are.
Captain should call.
Wait, round start?
I have no.
Oh, I was.
Oh god.
I'm gonna go get these guys. I'm gonna get these guys. Over here. Or 2 on a 6.
Hit! Back in! They're coming behind us!
Hit! Hit! Sorry. Hit.
Oh, hit. Damn it. Got me in the ass.
Same. Fuck.
Oh, my ass hurts.
Right in the back of the thigh. We're hit over here.
You guys way outnumber us. So not fair.
Is that everybody?
Because they're eliminated.
Think we can make this thing more even?
My GoPro on.
Huh?
My GoPro on.
Blinking red light.